Hey everybody, it's Neon. I am in front of a refrigerator for a reason because I have this Amazer. It's a can dispenser rack. It's heavy. It must be made out of metal. I've seen some of these different dispenser racks before, but we're gonna give this one a try and see how it works. Let's get my knife here to open it up. Okay, let's check it out and see how it looks. It's a big rack. Holy mackerel. This is going to be the can dispenser rack. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this in the fridge or if it'll just go in the cabinet. But let's check it out. So this is the instructions for it here. And all of the stuff. So I'm gonna put it up together. I'll let you guys see if I can maybe time lapse it or something. So there it is. Okay, so let's try this thing out now. So it's got two of them, so I'm just gonna check out one here and just see how it works. Let's get some cans here. So I have some extra large monster cans, so let's see how that goes. It works. And then if I have a regular soda can, it's got a little play to it, but it looks like it's gonna probably, well, not the tightest of fits, but it does work and it doesn't fall off or anything, so it's good. And then if we have some hard seltzer, works good. So it'll all line up on here and it'll just be easy to take out. So I'm gonna say that's pretty cool. So it comes with two of these things. So it's got this, and you can, looks like you'll be able to stack them on top of each other. So like that to that. And if you do, then you have these long bolts here and you can screw them together. So it'll make it a nice tight fit. So you can have double high. It'll still only serve two separate sets, but they'll be on top of each other and next to each other. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. Very cool little device here. I'm gonna go stick this thing. I'm gonna see if it'll fit in the fridge. Man, it might, I don't know. Let's see. Without adjusting anything here, let me just see how it fits. It will. So I'm gonna move some things over. Let's give this thing a try. All this stuff. I guess it will work in there. I think I'll put it in the pantry though and just use them there instead, but definitely cool. Thumbs up for me. I like it. And it's made by Amazer, which I like all their stuff, so definitely I like it. Huh. Refrigerator's been open too long. So I like it. Thumbs up for me. Be sure to pick these up. It's got a set of two of them, or you can stack them double high. Like here you go on the back, it shows them double high. So very cool. So thumbs up for me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and links in the description, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.